Nature of general studies quite often has acquired a shape where the current is becoming very, very important. Current is like a flowing river. It keeps passing. The moment you see something and you try appreciating it, it has already moved, a new thing has come. So often students come to me saying that how to really manage the current affairs. I would like to tell you that the best way to manage it is getting the understanding of where to use it. You are using it for PT examination, you are using it for main examination, and they have got a fixed time on which they are being conducted. So you should be normally, in the name of current event, you should be considering a time frame which is of about 1.5 years, starting from today backward 18 months. But this 18 months, I should say, has more focus of the last 6 months. And that's the way you should be looking at the time frame that you have. But when you are preparing for a future date and then now you are working, I like you to understand the difference between current issues and current event. Events are like snapshots. They keep happening. You take picture and then the whole thing is changed. After you have taken the picture, you have clicked it. Whereas the issues are like a movie reel. They continue. So I suppose it is very important for you to appreciate the movie reel. You should understand the current issue. If you understood the issue, the events would always fit into that. They are basically part of that issue that you have. I like you to pick up the issues which have got connection with the syllabus, and based on that you should be appreciating the fact of current events, so to say, or current affairs, so to say. Additionally, I would like you to also remember, why are you doing this current affair? You're doing it for examination, and in examination you can only use the one that you have it here. So it is very important that you keep the size of your total collection into such a manageable level that it can be revised several times over. It's only when you are able to revise several times over, they would be popping up in your mind when the questions come. So ultimate objective is using in the examination hall, not collecting. And you quite often, while you are standing in a flowing river of current affairs, you think that I should drink all the water. Definitely not. That's not the case. You should try and focus that what is your utility? How much I basically can use in the examination hall? Is it actually required in my kind of purpose or not? So whatever fits into your requirement that has got a long shelf life, that is actually an issue, those components I like you to be picking up. And then when you are collecting them, store them in a manner they can be revised several times. Unless you have revised several times, it would possibly be existing but not in useful form. Unless it is useful, what is the point in spending time in relocating information from newspaper to your notebook? It has to be here and in useful form. If you remember, a lot of clutter of the current affair related doubt goes down, and you are much lighter, and whatever you have, you can use it. Always try to connect it with the syllabus, and I'm sure you can make good use of it. My best wishes are with you.